bunch of them.
That's what I said.
I thought you said penguins.
You know, you don't have to be like
You
behind
gonna
the
take
gate or
pictures?
anything. Yeah, I'm gonna take pictures.
Cool.
Take a picture of me holding them. Maybe I should sit over here.
He's in here.
Look at this. This is cool. There you go, baby. Yeah.
Hello.
Sit, stand up. Now sit right here.
Stay. Oh, look at that. He's talking to you.
Oh my God, look at that. Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of you, Dad, doing that.
Ashley, look at you. Big smile.
They got babies down here, man.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, he's getting protected, I think.
So, protecting a baby.
Hello.
I gotta hear them.
Mommy.
Babies. I see one of them.
How cute.
They're so cute.
They're so cute. We're not going to hurt them. I promise.
Oh, Mom, did you want to find out if they bite?
Huh?
Here's your chance.
Oh.
I bet they will. Yes, sweetheart. Scared of you, Katrina.
Huh?
I'm not afraid either, but they will peck at me. They already tried doing it twice already.
Well, you were moving too fast. You got to go slow.
How's this? Is this good? Don't do that. Wait, right now?
Hold on, wait 1 second. Okay.
Dad just videotaped one pooping.
Really?
Where's the one that's pooping?
It's yellow.
Which one?
boat across Robben Island.
Mm-hmm.
So this is all the Indian Ocean here.
We got this.
And yesterday we were in the near the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow.
Near the Atlantic Ocean.
Indian Ocean, folks. We can say we've actually been to the Indian Ocean. You know what I should do is go actually touch it. Then I can really say it.